Hey, cool car, man. Cool car, man. What is that, Ferrari? Maybe this one a BMW, I don't know.
Today I'm going to be changing out the low beams on my E93 M3. They don't really match the angel eyes that we have. These are Precision Raceworks halos, and they're very bright and bluish, while the low beams is kind of yellowish at night. So we're going to change it to a whiter light and also brighter, so better visibility at night. We need to remove this cover here, but as you can see, it's covered by the fender liner itself. So we need to remove the fender liner and at least pull it back a little. Okay, so I just pulled the liner out of the way just enough, and now we can remove this cover right here. It is held on with T20 bolts, I believe. These ones right here, all around. Then you can remove that cover. Okay, so once you have this loose enough, you can access the D1S bulb right over there. And in order to get it out, you'll have to get this prong, push it in, and then take it towards the middle, and then bring it out of its lock mechanism there. You want to wiggle it out slowly, and then try not to touch the bulb with your fingers. Unplug the connector here on the bottom, so just pull straight out. And here's the old bulb right over here. The old bulb is a Philips D1S 35 watts. I'm going to be replacing it with this one. It's a 6000K D1S bulb by Torch Beam. It was very affordable. It was only 25 bucks on Amazon, so let's give it a try. Here's the back of it, 6000Ks, 35 watts. So I'm going to start by placing it in first. Carefully, or push the prong in, and then lock it into place. On the other side, take that prong, push it in until it catches onto the piece. Okay, so here's a better view of what I'm doing. So this little prong here, it's push it in to take it out, and then to lock it, you push it in and then put it towards the bulb until it falls into its lock, like so. Now this is all the way in. Alright, that is clicked in place. Now before I bolt this cover back on, I want to double check and make sure that it is working. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. Okay, so now you can see the difference clearly. Let's take a closer look. Look at that. Definitely brighter and whiter. And here's the other side. See how that low beam is yellowish? Does not match. Alright, so I'm driving at night now. It's about almost 9 o'clock, and I don't really have much before footage, but it was a little bit dimmer before, and right now with these brighter lights, it's actually, I can see a lot better now. I am lowered, so I might have to adjust the height of the bulbs a little, maybe raise them up, but so far, I mean, if I turn them off, this is what the difference is. And you can see how much further we can see ahead. This is definitely a better difference than before. It's not drastic, it's brighter, and it's also whiter. I think I did it mainly for the improved visibility, but also for to match the angel eyes, the upgraded angel eyes that I have. Very happy with it so far. If you're interested in this product, there's a link down below to the Amazon page. It's very cheap to buy, and it's not too hard to do as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good evening.